What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, if you haven't checked out this program on how to earn daily pay income, the link is in the description. Go check it out at www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, let's talk about it. So anyway, just wanted to briefly talk about why I chose digital marketing. All right. I actually was introduced to digital marketing some years back, so this is not my first digital program here with IPS. However, why I decided to go with digital marketing and affiliate marketing is because prior to that, all right, I was in various network marketing and MLM marketing companies, probably like most of you guys, right? Where we had a physical product that we were promoting. Either and most of the time you had to buy some type of product, some type of kit. All right, and then you're going to be on auto ship, and you would have to remain on auto ship so that you can earn your commissions, right? So we're stocking products. Now the company would mail them out if people ordered from your website, but a lot of times you felt like you needed to have products on hand, right? So you got a house full of products and you're on auto ship. All right, you got these what were they called, launch parties you had to be responsible for. Everybody wanted to know once you got started, well, when are you going to have your launch party? All right, a launch party is where you invite folks out either to your house or to someone's house, and then the leaders, all right, of the team you join is going to do the presentation. Okay, and that's kind of how that goes. And then you got your conference calls. It's a whole different business model. So when I was introduced to digital marketing, we also call it member to member. Okay, I was like, oh my goodness, didn't know this exists, and I never looked back. Because for me, I like the idea of being able to resell the resale rights to resell the digital products and make 100% commissions. Right? Most of the programs that I were in, and that's just network marketing, the MLM, because the company's got to make money, right, from those products that they're selling. So your commissions is very minimal. And for me, it was a lot more work trying to get people to sign up, chase people down for that type of business model versus digital, okay, digital programs and the e-learning niche. So we get 100% resale rights to sell the product over and over and over and keep 100% commissions. I have no products to stock or ship at all, okay, because everything is instant. All right, instant access to your login. Okay, you get access to the back office immediately once you get signed up. There's a one-time low cost, no monthly fees. I absolutely love that. And I'm able to earn that back over and over and over and over again. All right. And we call it also, like I said earlier, member to member. Because when we say member to member, meaning when someone signs up from your link, they're going to pay you directly. There's no middleman. All right. Most network marketing or MLM companies, they are going to pay out everybody's commissions, right? So they are totally in control of how and when you get paid. Okay. And we've seen companies where there's problems with commissions, you lose your downline. It's just been a whole lot of issues at times with that. So with this digital marketing, getting paid member to member, There's no middleman. I'm getting paid directly from the person that signs up from my link and how I want to get paid. Most non-traditional, if you will, companies that we get involved with, have gotten involved with, they typically either going to pay some type of direct deposit, or a lot of the companies have their own debit card, and there's certain days that they pay out of the month. Some of these companies pay out once a month, every other week, or the first or the third. There's certain dates, right? Or certain days. And then some of them also make you wait 2 weeks before you get your first payment. There's all types of variations of when or how you get paid, and they're in control of that. Whereas with member-to-member digital marketing, we get 100%. Now, this is not all companies, because there are digital marketing different companies out here. For an example, like a ClickBank, they offer digital products too, and they are on, again, you're paid from that company, but they offer digital products. Whereas here, because we're the owner that created it, this is how it was set up, the business model. So we get paid instantly the way we want to get paid. All we have to do is let the company know. They create our website for us. It's either going to cost us $39, depending on which product we purchase, or $59. And they create our website, and we tell them how we want to get paid, right? So that they can create the buttons for that. If you want to get paid via PayPal, give them your PayPal information. If you want to receive payments via credit card or debit card, you give the company that information. You're in control, okay? So I love that idea and that business model. And then we have our done-for-you systems. Most when I was in network marketing and MLM marketing, and still to this day, everybody has the one website, we know that, but they're not really into online marketing, okay? And there's a lot of stipulations on what you can and can't say, how you can promote, especially when it comes to nutritional products, okay? There was programs that I was a part of. I remember people actually receiving emails telling them they couldn't say this, they couldn't say that about a product. And there's some that don't even want you to promote it online. So a lot of stipulations. So with digital marketing, most of the programs have marketing systems, capture page systems, autoresponders, and we have that here. Matter of fact, you're going to get a free system when you sign up and purchase one of the 4 digital products that I offer. Okay, the company's setting up the website for you. You don't have to worry about creating the digital products or creating a website. The products are already created and they've already been proven to work. Okay, so we've got a proven system here that's been around since 2021. So it's already been proven. We've got step-by-step training. You're going to be basically handheld. That's what I like to call it. All right, we hold your hand marketing is what's going to happen. We got a 2-hour workday blueprint that we show you exactly what to do. Doesn't matter what age, people from all walks of life. If you can follow simple instructions, be coachable, right, and be consistent, you can be successful with this as well. Again, it all depends on you, all right? That's what we have here, but it takes action, all right? But digital products is definitely the way to go. It's the way of the world. We already know that. We live in a digital world. You know, we got apps, right, guys? You got your smartphone. I mean, you literally can order something immediately right from your smart device. So, instant access to whatever you're purchasing and being able to get paid instantly. Love that idea. We don't have to wait on the company to cut us a check, or when are we going to get paid? Any of that stuff. We don't have, what's the other thing that they have that I've experienced? Chargebacks, right? Because when you're dealing with those physical products, people return things, they want a refund, they cancel. You can have chargebacks. We don't have any of that with digital products. That's why there's a no refund policy. Okay, because once you purchase, you have access to the products. They're yours. All right, so there is no refund, so we don't have to worry about any of that. All right, so that is why I got started in digital marketing. Now, of course, as I said, I've been in different programs with digital marketing. Most of the ones are instant pay, and they have different programs, different products that they have within there. But my whole thing is the instant pay. That's what I love the most. And now with this program, what I'm loving is that we've got a great community. Okay, so once you join and you pick one of these products, let's talk about it. Let's take a look. Once you decide on one of the 4 products, right? Let's see. Let's move this out the way. Once you get started, you're going to receive an email from me. Within that email is going to be 2 links, okay? One link is going to get you access to the digital products that you just purchased. The second link is going to be a link where you're going to be invited into our thriving community, okay? Where you're in business for yourself, but you're not by yourself, okay? I can't tell you, when I first got started in this industry some years back, once you purchase what you purchase, you were on your own, okay? And most of the time, whoever you purchase from, you could not reach them any longer. They're no longer available, okay? But here, you don't have to worry about that, because we have a group of people. I think I saw something today saying 7,800. I think we're at 7,800 members now. And this is paid members. This is just not a group where you just add it in, where we got looky-loos looking around trying to figure out what they want to do. Everybody is a paid member. You have to purchase one of these 4 products, or you purchase the membership to be a part of a subscription of $47 a month. However, you're not going to have to worry about that, because you're going to get in for free. I'm going to add you in for free. So we've got 4 products for you to choose from, guys. We've got the $50 product, which is the starter product. Your website fee is $39. Everybody pays that. That's how the company makes their money, from the website fee. So this is the starter. If this is where you are, this is where you are. But I wouldn't recommend you stay there, right? So it will cost you $89 to get started at the starter level. The Elite is $150 plus $39 for your website. So it's going to cost you $189 to get started. Remember, there's no monthly fees here, right? One-time payment. Then, of course, the second program most popular is called the Pro. Okay, the 6-figure blueprint is $300, and it's $39 for your website. So it's going to cost you $339 one time. Then the #1 selling product, as it says right here, highly recommended, the premium. You're all in. You get everything. You don't leave any money on the table. It's $600 plus $59 for your website. So $659. Guess what else you're getting? That's 4 levels of income. $50, $150, $300, and $600. Okay? Because you never know where people are going to sign up, right? Once they go to your website, you know, somebody may buy $50, somebody may buy $600, but if you're positioned, it doesn't matter. This is how you position yourself, where you leave no money on the table. And you get to earn more, right? You're learning and earning, but you're able to earn more if you go all in. And right now, the company has this promo where they're allowing, doesn't matter where you started, when you got started, if you want to upgrade to the next level, whatever level you want to upgrade to, All you need to do is pay the difference plus your website fee, because you'll get a new website. For example, if you signed up and purchased the $300 Pro and you decide, hey, I want to go up to this $600, so you would pay the person you got started with the difference, $300, and then you'd pay the $59 for your new website, because they've got to change your website now, right? And add the $600 button, right? So they charge you for upgrading, getting a new website. All right. So those are the 4 products, digital products, and be mindful, guys. Look at what you're getting, you know, because if you look here, you're not going to get all the social media. If you go fit with the 50, look, you got Facebook marketing strategy, you have Craigslist. But if you notice, you don't see Instagram, YouTube, any of that right here, right? So be mindful of what you're purchasing. Now, see, at the 150, you've got YouTube automation and Instagram. Okay, just look at the social media. Okay, but if you go to the 300 Pro 6-figure, see, now you've got TikTok in here, Instagram, YouTube. Okay, automate social media. So I'm just pointing that out. Now, mind you, when you get in our, when I add you to our community, we've got some training in there as well, some additional training that you're going to get. So that's the value you're going to get. Not just buying these products, but being a part of a thriving community. Okay? That's very important, especially for a new person. I know, because I've been there before. You know, knowing that you've got support. And that will keep you in the game and keep you from quitting, because you will be able to get the support and see others' success in the group and what they're doing and have that fellowship. All right, guys. So go check this out. How to earn daily pay income. Go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. All right, so you can check out this program. Go watch the video, jot down your questions. If you have any, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer those for you. That's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.